If I was a guessing man, I'd say she liked pink. Hmm.
Joe, I need a tool belt.
Wait, what did you say you needed?
I need a tool belt.
For what?
For my stuff. So see, I wouldn't have to come over here. I could just have it all on me and work on that shoe right there.
Yeah. Wouldn't it be cool if you had a pink one? I bet you could get one somewhere. I've never seen them.
Pink one.
I've never seen them in the store, but you know, that would be awesome.
That would be really awesome.
Hey, so
Yeah.
I was asking you earlier, I don't think I got an answer. What got you into the shoe business?
All right. Well,
Why on earth would you want to repair shoes all day?
okay. I don't want to repair shoes all day.
Okay.
But I will say that I chose shoes because it was the most economical thing to do on Maui at the time. Made shoes, just bought shoes for women with big feet, cross dressers. Then I got real women in with really big feet who needed help, so I used the local shoe repair guy.
Yeah.
And then he was going out of business because it's hard to make money in the shoe repair business. So
Right.
he offered for me to buy it. I bought it, and he trained me for 2 years, and here I am.
Awesome.
Still needing a tool belt.
Yes. Yes, we'll have to do something about that. Got another hot one. What did you say?
I'm very excited that you're helping me, Joe, because I'm going to have some finished shoes today. Yay.
All right.
If video Joe can do it.
Yes, I'm just an average Joe helping you with your shoe project. Hey,
Hi, Video Joe.
how you doing?
Pretty good. How are you doing?
All right. What are we doing here today, mind you?
You are so awesome. You're going to help me build my studio so I can have a YouTube channel.
Yes, and you have a shoe store here, and you want me to do some work in the back so that you can do some videos of your own
That's right.
on YouTube, so you can start making money on YouTube.
Woohoo! You know it.
All right. Because it's a good way to supplement your income, you know.
Definitely.
And you have the talent and you've got plenty of things here that you can make videos of.
I'm already
Right.
doing the work. Why not record it while I'm at it?
Okay.
But you know how my work is here because you've helped me already do some of the shoe repair.
That was kind of fun.
It was fun.
Yeah.
And you were quite good at it.
Hey.
But there's a lot of work, and so I don't have time to fix up my little shop. And so I have, you know, the shop needs some help. And if I'm going to have a cute YouTube channel, I want it to be pink and girly and...
Pink.
Pink.
Oh, okay, yes. Pink here, pink there.
We're going pink, Joe.
All right. Pink walls, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is your list that you prepared for me.
Yeah, and it's long, because you told me there were no limits. So I made a list.
Oh,
that was
no.
my homework.
Your honeydew list.
Uh-huh.
What have I got myself into?
I don't know. You might regret it later.
Hey, there's some boxes here that you need to open,
Yeah, I know. I've been holding on to them. You told me not to peek.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Because you're going to help me. I
That's
think.
right. I am kind of handy. You know, I can
Okay.
use a hammer and some tools and a drill and all of that.
All right.
But I do, and I will say, I just am going to point this out, that of these two boxes, this box came delivered here with these holes in it, and I tried to peek, but I couldn't. And it's really light. I can't figure out what it is.
Well, I mean, it's something that I think you're probably going to need.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
in your shoe store.
Well, that's why it was good you were here. You got to see what kind of work I do
Yeah.
and what I need back there.
Yeah.
Right? Make it more functional. So
Yeah.
I'm curious what this one is.
You want to open this one first?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, I'll grab my box cutter since I have one. Okay.
You don't have a pink box cutter?
No. What's up with that? Okay. This is so great.
Amazon. I love Amazon.
Okay. Woohoo! What's in there? Hey, they're great. They're pink.
Yes. That's what was in there.
Safety girl. Those are awesome.
Hey.
Oh, Joe, you're so cool.
You know, that's not for this list. That's probably when you're grinding shoe
Yeah.
heels and stuff like that.
Yeah, you were paying attention.
Yeah.
Because I use
Yeah.
safety glasses because I don't want to damage my baby blues.
Oh, those are cute.
They're totally cute.
Awesome. I like them. That's you.
Thank you, Joe.
Okay, what else?
Okay, well, let's see what's in the other one. Here, I'll put
Yes.
it on my head. Okay. All right.
Any guesses?
No, it's not a book. It's not a puzzle. Okay, let's check it out. It says it has some kind of a tool thing on it. Workshop tools.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh man,
I
you're
look-
so cool.
I looked high and low for this.
Okay.
There's not very many of these in existence.
God, it's a nice one too. Killer pink tool belt.
A pink
OMG.
tool belt. What do you think about that?
God, this is nice. This is a really nice one. I repair some of these for guys who have their favorite tool belts.
Yeah.
And they're nice suede. This is an awesome
Okay.
tool belt.
Okay, but let's
Okay.
stand up. Let
I
me
will.
see. Let me see this.
Okay.
Okay.
So see, when I go into if I get, let's say, a diabetic person and they come into my workshop, I have to have my measuring tapes, my chalk, my pencil, and I always end up carrying them or lugging them back and forth.
Wow, that's
Here.
kind of awesome. Pink?
Is this supposed to go in the back or the front?
Well, actually, I got this so that you could flip it around and put it on the front. Hopefully you can
right, 'cause
adjust
see, then
it.
I can have my chalk here.
Yes, because then you can have it kind of like an apron, and you can have all
man,
your
it's
stuff there,
awesome.
right?
Joe,
Hey,
this is way too cool.
that's kind of
Oh
nice.
my
I
gosh.
was hoping everything was going to be pink, but you know this is black. Sorry about that. That's
It
all.
is so
that's all I had.
nice.
You know,
I mean, this is suede.
Yes.
Wow, it's awesome.
I could have gotten you a nylon pink
no,
one.
Yeah, this
You
is.
know, I have a pink. I have a blue, a blue nylon nail bag.
Okay.
Okay, and it works great for me. But I thought you have to have the leather one,
Oh man, this is so cool.
and you don't really need a nail bag like guys have because you're not like building stuff. You're making things. You're repairing shoes. You're doing all kinds of stuff here, and so once you get that all adjusted, you're going to flip that around. You're going to have everything to the front.
Okay.
Okay, they had,
Okay.
like I say, they had other ones, but I thought,
Once I figure it out.
yes.
But that is too cool.
Yes.
Oh
Hope-
my god, I love it.
Hey, there was only one size. I hope you're not too skinny to wear that.
I can fix it if not. I have a sewing machine. I'll fix it.
Yeah, I figured you could probably fix it.
So
Isn't
nice.
that awesome?
Good job.
Pink?
Wow. Oh my god.
Oh.
So great. It's gonna be my favorite lifelong belt with my little pink glasses.
Yes. Oh, you're styling. You're styling.
Okay, I'll use it because you're gonna make me work too.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I love it. I'm not taking it off. I'm gonna wear it.
Okay. Okay. So. You better get that. That's a $5,000 order of shoes.